Hello children, welcome back to Max Me Easy. Today let's continue with word problems based on simple interest. Here is our question. Fifth one, in how many years? So let me take my pen and we need to find the time. Time is equal to how much? Right? So they are asking the years. So we are going to find out the time. So our target is to find out the time. And in how many years will rupees 870? That means the money that the person is taken is 870. So this one will be the principal. Mounts to. Mount means we all know always the amount means principal plus interest. So the amount which we are going to return back, that will be the amount. If we take the principal of 870, we need to return back interest along with this principal 870, right? We need to give some extra amount which is said to be interest along with this principal within a particular time period. The rate of interest being the rate of interest, that means R per annum, they need to pay the interest of 2 1 by 2%. Right children, so this is the given data, and now let's write down the first given data first. Given data, time we need to find out. Principal is 870 rupees and amount is 1044 and rate of interest is 2 1 by 2%, 2.5%, that is right. Now in order to find the time, you might think that it is really very easy. We can just put the time formula and just substitute the values, isn't it? Yes, that's true. But this is a formula children. Look here, over here children, let me take my pen. Do you have the principal value? Yes. Do you have the rate value? Yes. Do you have this interest value? No. Right? So first our aim is to find out the interest. Right? So we need to find out the interest. So let's put a question mark over here. I is equal to how much? Right? If you get this one, then only you can able to solve the time, get the time, right? So our first target is to get this uh, interest, how much interest we need to pay along with this principal, right? But look here children, they have given the amount as well as principal. Now you might have remembered one formula, amount is equal to principal plus interest, right? Here we know the amount value as well as the principal. Now just by substituting these two values, can't we get this I, that is interest? Yes, you can easily get it, right? Just substitute the value. What is amount? 1044 is equal to what is principal? 870 plus I, right? I is nothing but interest. Since we need to find out I, keep I as it is. Get this 870 to the other side, it becomes minus. So plus becomes minus. That means 144 minus 870 is equal to I. When you subtract this 2, you will get 174 interest, right? So we are going to pay the extra amount of 174 for the money 870. Right children, so for verification, if you add 870 plus 174, you will get 1044 rupees, right? So now we got the I value also. Now you can just substitute the values over here. Now just write down the formula and now substitute these values over here. I is 174 into 100 by 870 into 5 by 2. Here all these are in integers, but only this one is in fraction, right? So you have to change this into an integer. For that you have to make the reciprocal of this 5 by 2. That means this 2 will go to the numerator. I have already explained this clearly in my previous video, right? If you didn't check that, I have given the link in the description box. Just have a look over there. Now you can do the cancellation by yourself, children. Can just cancel it and multiply it, and you will get 8 years, right? So the time period taken to for 870 to changing into 1044, it will take 8 years of time, children, right? The principal what we need to return is 1044 rupees in 8 years. If you take 870 rupees for an interest of 2.5%. If you have any doubts in your academic syllabus, you can just post your question, uh, so that I can make a video on it and upload it as soon as possible. Here is your homework for today, children. Find the rate percentage, that is, you have to find our children, and they have already given us the principal, time, and this is the interest, right? I have already said you what all are the given data. Now just write the formula and substitute the values, and it's done. After doing this problem, just post your answer in the comment section. Always remember, children, practice makes you perfect in maths, so don't miss it. Try this problem. After each of my video, I will be giving you a one homework, and try to solve that problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on simple interest. Stay tuned to Max Make Easy.